Hi, David here from More for Apps. Today we'll be looking at how we can bench FBDI's data creation steps. And for this video we're going to use requisitions as an example. On this diagram here you can see that there's 9 specific steps to complete an FBDI upload. However, today we're really interested in adding data to worksheets and linking those worksheets together to build your data set. Let's take a look at the FBDI template. Here we're in the header worksheet, creating the first requisition. We're just doing one requisition at a time. We're adding the lines and the distributions, and you'll see that we have to keep linking the keys together, going back to Oracle back and forth to pull the data back that we need in order to create the FBDI data file. Now you may not be using Oracle, you could be using Report, etc. or another system. But you can see how much work is involved. We were having to put in every single value, there's no defaulting, etc. And you can see simple things like grabbing the charge account, having to split them out with the standard Excel functionality, and again, and that was one requisition. Now if you want all your data on the one worksheet, that's the More for Apps advantage. Multiple documents, header, lines, details, attachments, etc. all on the one worksheet. Now let's take a look at the requisition functionality. We'll download an existing requisition and we'll use this as a basis to build the new requisition. You can see here in row 10 I have some default values as well. I don't have to put the value in for every single line like I did with FBDI. Creating 2 requisitions is so simple. We make a few little changes here to the quantities like we had for FBDI. In fact, we've even put one extra line item on here just to show you how easy it is. We'll clear out the distributions because we can use a formula to build those based on the lines, and we call the web service, and you'll see we've loaded the data and it even gives us a requisition number. So be a bit less like the guy on the left with his typewriter and be a bit more like the lady on the right with her computer with More for Apps. I'll be creating a few more videos like this to show the advantages of More for Apps products for Oracle Fusion Cloud ERP. Talk to you soon.